The Economic Survey 2025-26 described India's growth as the envy of the world, supported by strong macroeconomic fundamentals such as a healthy banking system, stable foreign exchange reserve, and a comfortable current account balance. A major factor behind this momentum is the strengthening of India's export performance. While many economies are still dealing with slow recovery, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical tension, India's export performance has shown steady growth. India's export performance overall growth trend. India's export performance has remained strong after the pandemic, reflecting the country's economic resilience. India's export performance grew by around 6.15% even as the global economy faced uncertainty and trade disruptions. India's total export goods and services reached about US $720.76 billion between April 2025 and January 2026. Services export reached $387.5 billion in financial year 25, creating a trade surplus of $188.8 billion. India ranks among the top 5 countries in export product diversity and top 3 in trade partner diversity, which strengthen India's export performance against global stocks. Multiple sectors such as electronics, petroleum products, pharmaceuticals, textile, automobiles, and defense are contributing to the steady rise in India's export performance. India's export performance in key sectors. Petroleum products. India has developed a strong refining capacity and has emerged as the seventh largest exporter of refined petroleum products globally. The country is also among the top 5 refining nations in the world, supported by modern infrastructure and strategic geographic location. Electronics exports. Electronics has become one of the fastest growing sectors in India's export performance. Electronic goods moved from the seventh largest export category in financial year 22 to third largest in financial year 25. India is the world's second largest mobile phone manufacturer with more than 300 manufacturing units operating today compared to just 2 units in 2014. Smartphones are a major driver of India's export performance in the first 5 months of financial year 2025-26. Smartphone export crossed rupee 1 lakh crore, showing a 55% increase compared to the previous year. Pharmaceutical and chemical exports. India's pharmaceutical sectors continue to strengthen India's export performance. India ranks as the world's third largest pharmaceutical producer by volume and the 11th largest by value, with the sector recording an annual turnover of Rs 4.72 lakh crore in financial year 25. India ranks 11th globally in pharmaceuticals export by value, accounting for about 3% of the global market. Export of medical devices have also expanded significantly, increasing from $2.5 billion in financial year 21 to $4.1 billion in financial year 25. India is often called the pharmacy of the world as it plays a crucial role in ensuring access to cost-effective generic drugs, textile and apparel exports. India is the sixth largest exporter of textiles and apparel globally, holding around 4% share in global export in this segment. Export of textile and apparel increased from $35.87 billion in financial year 24 to $37.75 billion in financial year 25, reflecting steady demand for Indian garments, fabrics, and handcraft in international markets. Automobile exports. Automobile manufacturing has become an important component of India's export performance. India has emerged as a major exporter of two-wheelers, passenger vehicles, and commercial vehicles. Automobile exports increased from 4.13 million units in financial year 21 to 5.36 million units in financial year 25, reflecting growing global demand for India manufactured vehicles. Defense exports. A notable transformation in India's export performance has been witnessed in the defense sector. Defense exports reached a record 23,622 crore in financial year 24-25 compared to the less than Rs 1,000 crore in 2014. Indian defense equipment is now exported to over 100 countries, demonstrating the growing global confidence in India's defense manufacturing capabilities. Services exports. Services exports remains a major pillar of India's export performance. In financial year 25, India's services exports reached an all-time high of $387.5 billion, generating a trade surplus of $188.8 billion. The growth of information technology services, financial services, consulting, and digital platform continues to strengthen India's global presence in the service sector, expanding trade partnerships and market access. Another major factor contributing to India's export performance in the diversification of trading partners. Over the past 3 years, India has signed 9 free trade agreements covering 38 countries, providing access to market representing nearly 70% of the global GDP. These agreements are designed to reduce trade barriers, expand market access for Indian goods and services, and strengthen the long-term stability of India's export performance. Policy initiatives strengthening India's export performance. Several government initiatives have played a crucial role in supporting India's export performance. Production Linked Incentive (PLI) schemes. Production Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme was first launched in 2020 to encourage companies to manufacture more products in India and increase exports. PLI scheme for automobile and auto components. This scheme promotes the manufacturing of high-value advanced automotive technology, vehicles and components. It aims to attract investment and make India a global hub for advanced automobile manufacturing. By September 2025, the scheme had attached investment of around Rs 35,657 crore rupee, strengthening the automobile sector and contributing to India's export performance. PLI for bulk drugs. India has traditionally depended on imports for important pharmaceutical inputs such as active pharmaceutical ingredients, key starting materials, and drug intermediaries. The PLI scheme for bulk drugs encourages domestic production of these official materials. It has created an annual manufacturing capacity of about 55,000 metric tons of 26 essential products, which supports pharmaceutical exports and improve India's export performance. Export Promotion Mission (EPM). The Export Promotion Mission (EPM) is a major initiative approved with an outlay of Rs 25,060 crore for the period 2025-26 to 2030-31. The mission aims to strengthen the overall exports ecosystem, improve access to affordable trade finance, and prepare Indian businesses to compete in global markets. It operates through two sub-schemes, Niryat Protsahan and Niryat Disha. Key interventions under the mission include E-commerce credit assistance. This provides financial support to exporters selling through digital platforms. Businesses can access credit facilities of up to Rs 50 lakh for domestic e-commerce exports and up to Rs 5 crore for overseas expansion supported by government guarantees. TRACE, Trade Regulation, Accreditation and Compliance Enablement. These initiatives help exporters meet international regulatory standards. It reimburses 60 to 75% of compliance cost with a maximum limit of Rs 25 lakh per exporter annually. Flow, facilitating logistics, overseas warehousing and fulfillment. Flow supports Indian exporters in setting up overseas warehouses and distribution networks. The scheme provides support of up to 30% of approved project cost. Lift, logistic intervention for freight and transport. This scheme helps exporters from districts with lower export activity by reimbursing up to 30% of freight cost with a cap of Rs 20 lakh per exporter annually. Insight, integrated support for trade intelligence and facilitation. Insight focuses on improving market research, trade intelligence and exporter capacity building by funding 50 to 100% of project cost. Semiconductor and electronics manufacturing initiatives. Strengthening high technology manufacturing is another major focus area for improving India's export performance. Electronics Component Manufacturing Scheme. Notified in 2025 with an outlay of Rs 40,000 crore, this scheme promotes domestic manufacturing of key electronics components. It aims to integrate India's electronic industry with global value chains, thereby increasing export of electronics products. India Semiconductor Mission 2.0. Announced in the Union Budget 26-27, this initiative focuses on building India's semiconductor ecosystem. It promotes industry and research, technology development and skill creation in areas such as chip fabrication, assembly, testing and semiconductor design. Customs and taxation measures. The Union Budget 26-27 also introduced several custom duty reduction to support domestic manufacturing. Duties were reduced on aviation components, lithium-ion cell manufacturing inputs and defense-related parts. These measures lower production costs and help industries become more competitive in global markets, thereby supporting India's export performance. Sector-specific export promotion. The government has also introduced targeted initiatives for emerging sectors. PM E-Drive scheme. This scheme encourages the adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles, including electric two-wheelers, three-wheelers, e-trucks, and e-ambulance. It also supports the development of charging infrastructure, which strengthens India's electric mobility industry and its export potential. Scheme 2 promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars. This initiative promotes domestic production of electric cars for both domestic consumption and export, helping India enter the global electric vehicle market. Defense export promotion. India is also focusing on expanding defense exports. Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 and Defense Procurement Manual 2025 aim to promote transparency, faster procurement, innovation, and self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Two major industries clusters, the Uttar Pradesh Defense Industrial Corridor and the Tamil Nadu Defense Industrial Corridor, have attracted investment of more than Rs 9,145 crore as of October 2025. These corridors are expected to increase defense production and export, contributing to India's export performance. Infrastructure and ecosystem development. To support industrial growth and export, the Union Budget 26-27 announced new infrastructure initiatives such as rare earth corridors, chemical parks, and the Biopharma Shakti program. These initiatives aim to strengthen supply chains and support high-value manufacturing sectors. Service export promotion. Apart from goods exports, India is also witnessing strong growth in services exports. The rapid expansion of global capability centers, supported by tax incentives in special economic zones, has strengthened India's position in the global services sector. Additionally, India ranks second globally in AI skill penetration, which supports growth in technology and digital services exports. Together, these initiatives are helping expand manufacturing capacity, strengthen supply chains, and improve global competitiveness, ultimately supporting long-term growth in India's export performance. Challenges affecting India's export performance. Despite the positive trends, India's export performance faces several structural and global challenges. Rising protectionism and tariffs in major economies pose a significant risk. For example, tariff increases by the United States in 2025 affected sectors such as textile, steel, and seafood export. Non-tariff barriers, including complex documentation requirements and strict rules of origin under trade agreements. These barriers often increase compliance costs for exporters. The European Union's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism will impose carbon-based taxes on products such as steel, aluminium, and cement, potentially affecting the competitiveness of Indian exports. Geopolitical tension and supply chain disruption, particularly in energy supplying regions, can increase production and shipping costs for Indian exporters. Competition from countries such as Vietnam and Bangladesh in labor-intensive sectors like textile and footwear also adds pressure on India's export performance. Steps needed to strengthen India's export performance. To sustain long-term growth in India's export performance, several policy steps are necessary. Simplifying export procedures. To maintain long-term growth in India's export performance, the government needs to make export procedures simpler through digital platforms and better coordination among regulatory agencies. Improving logistic infrastructure. Investment in dedicated freight corridors, modern ports, and better transport networks can reduce export costs and make India's export performance more competitive globally. Focus on sustainability standards. As global trade is increasingly linked with climate regulations, India must develop carbon accounting system and green financing options to exporters can meet environmental standards and sustain India's export performance. Strengthening manufacturing capacity. Expanding advanced manufacturing through industrial corridors and production incentive scheme will help increase production and support India's export performance. Promoting digital trade and e-commerce. Encouraging digital trade platforms and e-commerce export can help small and medium enterprises reach international markets, further improving India's export performance.